Hello guys, in today's video, I'm gonna show you how to pay with Gcash in Codashop. Without further ado, let's get started. So first, go to Codashop.com on your browser, then sign in to your account. If you haven't signed up yet, just tap the sign up button right here, then just sign up with your email or mobile number. So once you've signed in, just tap on these three lines on the top left corner. Now to use Gcash, you should activate Codashop right here. So let's tap on that. Then just tap on Activate Codashop. Then just enter your mobile number here for verification. Then tap on Continue. Then you will receive an OTP, so just enter the OTP digits you received. Then tap on Continue. Once the verification is successful, just tap on Go to my Codashop. Then here, as you can see, you can now top up using your Gcash. So for example, we're gonna top up this amount, so just tap on that. Then tap on Gcash. Then tap on Top Up Now. Then just tap on Continue. After that, you will be redirected to Gcash and you just have to enter some necessary information. And that's it. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider hitting the subscribe button. Thank you and see you on our next video.